Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless bob wig. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, continue watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with ILIKE Hair Company, and I'm just showing you guys what I received in my package. So I got a wig cap, a tail comb, a bag with goodies. I received a melt band, some clips, a fashion clip, an edge control brush, and of course I got the wig itself. Do you see how it came in the package? Like, guys, take it in. Take it in. So this is a 5x5 closure wig. As you can see, we have the combs at the side, we have a comb in the middle back portion of the closure, and also at the back of the wig. And we also have the adjustable bands, of course, and we have one inside the wig as well. So I'm just showing you guys the lace. This was an HD lace, and the hairline is also kinky. And this is just some waves, guys. Like, it literally came styled just like this. Alright guys, so like always, my hair is braided back into 6 straight back braids. Make sure it's nice and flat. And so this is the wig. It is a short wavy wig with some kinky edges, and it's a 5x5 closure. So I did apply this wig already, so you will see that there is some concealer on the back of the lace, but I'm just going ahead and applying some more. So that's how it is looking, and I'm using this comb at the back of the wig, and I'm going to stick it in the back of my head right in the middle and just pull the wig forward. And I'm just going to lay exactly where I want it to sit. And that is basically it for putting on the wig. It's on. Like, this is it, guys. So I'm just going in with my comb. I'm just combing it down a bit, feeling it out and seeing what exactly I was going to do to it. Because guys, the wig is already styled, everything is done for you. Yeah, the wig, everything is already done for you with this wig. So I went in with my Murray's beeswax, and I just put that on the top, and I'm gonna use my hot comb just to flatten out the top a bit, just so that the wig is laying nice and flat. So you always want to go in with your hot comb when putting on a wig. And once I've done that, I am just playing around with the kinky edges, seeing how I want it to lay. I kind of just brushed it back a bit, and then I went in with my concealer that was on the brush, and I just tapped that onto the lace and have a better blend. And this is how it is looking. Yes, so I'm just playing around with it a bit. I also went in with my BioSilk, and I just put some of that on my hand and rubbed it through the hair. So as you can see, this is definitely a beginner friendly wig. Look how natural this is looking, and it came just like this. So I just went ahead and sprayed my olive oil for my finishing touch. And look at this. Look at this. So I do like how it looks when it's like fluffed up a bit more and not just like flat. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys that you can take it off and put it on. I didn't use no glue, no spray, no nothing to keep this wig down. So it is super beginner friendly, guys, and it looks very natural. It's like these waves are like my waver kind of waves. So honestly, the work is done for you. It's honestly done for you. So this is basically how it is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the black cape and show you guys how it looks without having the cape on. So this is how it is looking, a cute short bob. This is once again a 5x5 closure wig, and it is HD lace, so it is a real good blend with your skin tone, and it's a wear and go, so you don't need to use nothing for this wig. You honestly just pop it on, go. All you really needed was that foundation to help the lace blend in with your skin, and that is that. So I just wanted to shout out ILIKEHAIR Company for sending over this unit. All their details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. They have all different types of wigs, like I've worked with them in the past. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick and easy tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about these glueless wigs, how you guys feel about the kinky edges. Let me know if you are a fan or not. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.